In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image extensions in Google Ads. Image extensions, also called image assets, let your search ads show a relevant picture alongside your headline and description, which can dramatically improve visibility and click-through rate. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Google Ads account with the right permissions and that you have high-quality images you're allowed to use. Google prefers clean, sharp visuals with minimal or no text, and common ratios like square and landscape. JPG or PNG files work great, and larger, high-resolution files tend to look best after cropping. To get started, go to your Google Ads account. From the top navigation, click Tools. Depending on the interface, this may appear as Tools and Settings, but you're looking for the section that houses your creative resources. From there, click Asset Studio. This is where Google centralizes creative elements you can reuse across campaigns. Next, click Asset Library. The library organizes everything you've already added and is the hub for uploading new images. Inside the library, click Image to focus specifically on image assets. This view filters out other asset types so you can concentrate on pictures you'll attach to your ads. Now click Upload and locate your file to upload it. Choose the images from your computer that best represent your product or service. If a crop window appears, use it to frame the subject clearly and avoid cutting off important details or logos. Give the file a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. When the upload finishes, you should see your new image listed in the library, ready to be associated with your ads as an image extension. If you have multiple variations, like square and landscape, upload each one so Google can match the best fit to different placements. Keep your brand consistent, avoid overly busy backgrounds, and make sure the image aligns with the landing page experience to stay within policy and deliver better performance. If you don't see the Tools menu or Asset Studio, you might be in a simplified view. Switching to the full interface or checking your account access usually resolves it. That's all there is to it. Go to your Google Ads account, click Tools, open Asset Studio, go to Asset Library, select Image, then upload and locate your files. With your images in place, your search ads are set up to stand out with eye-catching visuals.